This one-pan chicken and allotment tray bake minimises washing up and maximises on the flavours of your gorgeous homegrown veggies. Now, don't panic if you don't have your own allotment. Instead, why not pop down to your local farmer's market and pick up what's fresh and in season. In a small bowl, mix together the honey, the oil, the mustards and salt and pepper. Lay the chicken legs out on a baking sheet and coat both sides of the chicken well with the marinade. Then surround the chicken with the various vegetables you're using and place the tray into the oven. Bake for 50 minutes or until the chicken is perfectly cooked through. Now, you can use any veggies that you and your family love for this recipe. Just remember that the harder the vegetable, things like potatoes and carrots, then the smaller the chunks need to be. Things like tomatoes, peppers, broccoli, they take less cooking time, so they can be in larger chunks. Also, if you're going to use herbs like I am, then the woody herbs, the rosemary and the thyme, they can go in the tray with the vegetables to start with. But things like parsley and basil and coriander, you want to add them right at the very end of the cooking time. As always, I hope you've loved this recipe and I'll see you guys next week.